600,000 children around the world have died due to the severe respiratory infections that could have been easily prevented if more care was put into the issue of what air pollution is.
Air pollution is a topic that isn't talked about nearly enough. People are dying due to all the effects and consequences it has on our body. Yet it doesn't seem to be mentioned quite as often as other topics.
Consequences of air pollution are deeply concerning and worrying. The lack of care that the planet has been facing because of humanity ignorance.
So, what exactly causes air pollution? And what can we do to avoid the upcoming consequences of our actions? Don't pollute the air and be a fool. It'll make you choke because it is not cool. This is Air Pollution Explained.
How would you explain air pollution to someone outside or unknown to us?
Pollution can be translated or summarized as the introduction of harmful materials that damage the environment, in which not only us human beings, but also all the creatures that share this planet with us are affected.
What pollutants are the ones that affect the earth most?
Most harmful pollutants are the chemical compounds and the ones that, even in low concentrations, manage to spread quickly and inflict long-term sequels like formaldehyde, benzene, etc. Other harmful pollutants are carbon monoxide, sulfur monoxide, and lead.
Now that we know exactly what keeps worsening the health of our planet, we need to learn what the consequences are if we don't cut or reduce the pollutants just mentioned.
Social media, they keep mentioning something about Olympic. Can you tell us about that?
The climate flag has the purpose of counting how much time we have left before our deadline. Thus, it is estimated that as a society, we have 7 years and 91 days before the global temperature rises to 1.5 Celsius, which is considered a point of no return.
What exact consequences should we expect from all of this?
The consequences of air pollution on the environment would be that it generates a huge impact on the evolution process of the plant avoiding photosynthesis, in many cases with great consequences in the purification of the air we breathe. Other consequences would be the acid rain, depletion of the ozone layer, global warming, and greenhouse effect.
The consequences might seem inevitable, but there is always something that you can do to help.
So, what can we do to save the earth?
The thing on air pollution is very hot right now, so I have to tell you what you can do in order to save the earth. Our environment is massively contaminated. Our oceans, our lands, even our air is polluted. It may sound unbelievable, but every single breath of air you take, like right now, is polluting your lungs. However, even if an individual cannot eradicate the problem on their own, there are effective measurements you can take in order to prevent air pollution in Panama and worldwide. Some of these solutions include: first, lessen emissions from major industrial and manufacturing sources. Second, establish and implement progress vehicle emanations norms. Third, design hybrid and electric vehicles and normalize their use. Fourth, facilitate access to public transport in urban areas. 5, increase interest in sustainable energy and energy efficiency by planning campaigns to spread information on the problem. In conclusion, since we're all equally affected by the millions of pollutants in our atmosphere, it is crucial that every single person realizes the massive effects our actions are causing and acts in order to prevent the irreparable consequences that will occur if we don't spread awareness among our community.